What's going on, family? So I just got the box of my brochures in and business cards. Give you a sample, show you what they look like. My brochures. Make sure you get a good one. We show up on time and finish before time, saving you time and money. That's how you get your HogOn, man. All of this is my work. So just go to show how you can network yourself, man. And like I say, right with these brochures, I kind of made sure that the price, the photos, the information, everything was to the point. You want to try to leave less questions. It pretty much is all there. If you get the call, then they didn't already read over it, they didn't thought about it, they didn't seen some of your work, and they want to have you part of what they got going on, or they won't call. So, but it's good to have yourself lined out and correctly and have everything good where you can actually network yourself. Hold on.